Have you been feeling constantly bloated, moody, exhausted, or struggling to lose weight, no matter what you eat? What if the problem isn't just your lifestyle, but your hormones? Today, we're revealing the overlooked signs of estrogen dominance in women, and what you can do to restore balance naturally. If your body is trying to tell you something, this is the video you can't afford to miss. Welcome to the channel where we uncover the truth behind your symptoms with science-backed, holistic health insights. Estrogen dominance is one of the most misunderstood yet common hormonal imbalances affecting millions of women. Whether you're in your 20s or approaching menopause, high estrogen levels can wreak havoc on your mood, energy, fertility, and even your metabolism. In this video, we'll break down the top 10 signs of estrogen dominance, what causes it in the first place, how you can naturally support estrogen detox and hormone balance. Stick around until the end for a simple lifestyle protocol you can start today. Section 1. What is estrogen dominance? Estrogen dominance happens when there's too much estrogen in the body relative to progesterone, even if your estrogen levels are technically normal. This imbalance can happen for several reasons: poor liver detox of hormones, chronic stress reducing progesterone, environmental estrogens, xenoestrogens, from plastics, makeup, and chemicals. Poor gut health leading to recirculation of estrogen and even hormonal birth control or hormone replacement therapy. Estrogen is essential for female health, but when it's out of control, it affects your entire body. Section 2. Top 10 signs of estrogen dominance. Let's walk through the 10 most common and most ignored signs of estrogen dominance in women. 1. Weight gain, especially around hips, thighs, and belly. Excess estrogen promotes fat storage and makes weight loss more difficult, especially in the lower body. 2. Bloating and water retention. High estrogen can cause your body to retain water, leading to puffiness, swelling, and uncomfortable bloating. 3. Mood swings, anxiety, or depression. Estrogen affects neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. An imbalance can lead to emotional roller coasters. 4. Heavy or painful periods. Too much estrogen thickens the uterine lining, leading to heavier flow and cramping. 5. Breast tenderness or fibrocystic breasts. Excess estrogen stimulates breast tissue, often making it feel sore or lumpy. 6. Irregular menstrual cycles. Estrogen dominance can disrupt ovulation, leading to missed, short, or prolonged cycles. 7. Low libido. Estrogen imbalance can dull sexual desire and interfere with natural lubrication. 8. Fatigue or brain fog. Estrogen overload affects thyroid function and mitochondrial energy production, making you feel tired and mentally off. 9. Headaches or migraines, especially before your period. Hormonal shifts caused by estrogen dominance often trigger cyclical migraines. 10. Trouble sleeping or waking up at 3 a.m. This is related to the estrogen-progesterone imbalance affecting your stress response and melatonin production. If you've been checking off several of these symptoms, your hormones may be out of sync. Section 3. Causes of estrogen dominance. Estrogen dominance isn't random. Here are some common root causes. Chronic stress. This steals the building blocks of progesterone, leaving estrogen unopposed. Poor liver function. Your liver is responsible for clearing excess estrogen from the body. If it's overloaded, estrogen recirculates. Gut imbalances. An unhealthy gut microbiome can produce enzymes that reactivate estrogen, sending it back into your bloodstream. Xenoestrogens, found in plastics like BPA, receipts, household cleaners, fragrances, and conventional body care products. Diet high in sugar, dairy, alcohol, or processed foods. These spike insulin, worsen inflammation, and block hormone clearance. The good news? You can reverse it naturally by creating a hormone-friendly environment in your body. Section 4. Natural ways to balance estrogen. Here's a quick 5-step plan to start balancing your hormones and flushing excess estrogen. 1. Support liver detox. Add foods like cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, lemon water, and herbs like milk thistle and dandelion root. 2. Heal your gut. Eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, reduce sugar, and consider a quality probiotic. 3. Reduce xenoestrogens. Switch to non-toxic cookware. Avoid microwaving plastic. Use glass or stainless steel, and opt for clean personal care products. 4. Manage stress. Try yoga, walking, journaling, or even just deep breathing to lower cortisol and protect progesterone. 5. Balance blood sugar. Eat protein and healthy fats with every meal, limit refined carbs, and avoid skipping meals to keep insulin stable. Bonus: consider diindolylmethane, magnesium, and B vitamins, which support estrogen metabolism, but always talk to a practitioner first. Estrogen dominance doesn't have to control your life. Once you understand the signs, the root causes, and how to fix it naturally, you can start feeling like yourself again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos on women's health, hormones, and natural healing. Comment below with which symptom you've been struggling with, and what step you're going to try first. Your journey to balanced hormones starts today. Until next time, take care of your body, because it's the only place you have to live.